Welcome to HealthFlow, your go-to channel for easy-to-follow health tips and recommendations. Today, we're diving into how you can build an efficient and budget-friendly workout space right in your home. Whether you have a small corner or a dedicated room, we'll guide you through the essential equipment you need to kickstart your fitness journey without breaking the bank. First, let's talk about space. You don't need a lot of it. A small area in your living room, bedroom, or garage can be easily transformed into your workout zone. The key is to keep it clutter-free and dedicated to your fitness. The heart of your home gym is a good quality exercise mat. It's not just for comfort, it provides the necessary support and helps prevent injuries during workouts like yoga, Pilates, or bodyweight exercises. Next up, let's talk about resistance training. You can get a set of adjustable dumbbells or resistance bands. They're versatile, space-saving, and perfect for a range of exercises from strength training to improving flexibility. Cardio is crucial too. If you're tight on space, skip the bulky equipment. Jump ropes or a step platform can give you an intense cardio workout, and they can easily be stored away. Don't forget about stability tools like a yoga ball or a balance board. These are great for core strengthening exercises and improve your balance and posture. Lastly, we recommend getting a mirror. It's not just for selfies. A mirror helps in maintaining the correct form and posture during your workouts. Creating a home gym doesn't have to be expensive or require a lot of space. With these essentials, you're all set to start your fitness journey right at home. Remember, the best investment you can make is in your health. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to HealthFlow for more health tips. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who might be planning their own home gym. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.